Experience total control. Precision tracking, absolute visibility. This is the ultimate monitoring solution.
Hype GPS Stream Portal gives you complete control of your fleet with real-time tracking and advanced video monitoring. The portal supports AI dashcam monitoring with front view, back view, side view, and real view video access, helping you see what is happening around the vehicle in real time. Fleet owners can instantly check whether a vehicle is moving, idle, stopped, or offline. Every vehicle is clearly visible with live location, route position, and device status. Your complete fleet monitoring dashboard. Track all vehicles from one smart screen with live fleet statistics, device status, mileage ranking, engine hours, and driving duration reports. Monitor moving, idle, stopped, and offline vehicles in real time, and quickly identify device health and performance.
Protect every journey with AI driver monitoring. Detect fatigue, distraction, phone usage, and unsafe behavior in real time. Advanced Driver Assistance System helps prevent accidents with forward collision, lane departure, and safe distance warnings.
With AI-powered ADAS and DMS alerts, Hype GPS helps you monitor unsafe driving behavior, driver fatigue, distraction, phone usage, harsh braking, blind spot events, and other safety risks in real time. AI Dashboard in Hype GPS Stream Portal gives you a complete safety view of your fleet. Fleet owners can quickly analyze safety trends, check alarm counts, monitor high-risk drivers, and take fast action to improve road safety. Hype GPS Playback gives you full visibility of past trips, helping you investigate complaints, verify routes, check driver behavior, and improve fleet control.
Store important footage securely with cloud backup and high-capacity SD card recording support.
With SD card playback, you can retrieve vehicle-side recordings whenever needed. With cloud playback, you can access important clips remotely from the portal. With trip reports, you can check vehicle start location, end location, trip start time, trip end time, total distance, total travel duration, stoppage time, idle time, speed details, and route history. Instant event photos with AI alerts help you act fast and improve fleet safety.
Book your demo today. Connect with us on WhatsApp or visit our website.